Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on playing cards. Playing cards are very popular items when it comes to discussing chance or probability. A bundle of cards is called a deck. It consists of 52 cards made up of 4 suits, where each suit contains 13 cards. So here we have a full deck, and here we have one row. They are called the clubs. That's one suit. The next row are the diamonds, which is another suit, followed by the hearts, followed by the spades. So the lower picture shows the 4 suits being clubs, diamonds, hearts and spades, starting from top to bottom, that is, working that way. The following are some popular questions that can be asked. Assume that the drawing of any card is done at random. That is, we turn the deck over and we don't know what card we're picking. It's just a complete guess. So from a whole deck of cards, one card is drawn. What is the probability of drawing a club? Now remember, before we saw the convention, P club, the probability of drawing a club is 13 over 52. Because there are 13 clubs and there are 52 cards altogether. So 13 over 52 is 1 over 4. What is the chance of drawing a red card? The probability of a red is 26 over 52. Because you've got 13 diamonds and 13 hearts, that's 26 reds altogether. 52 gives you the total number of cards. 26 over 52 is a half. So the probability of drawing a red is a half. What is the chance of drawing a 7? The probability of drawing a 7 is 4 over 52, because you have one 7 in each of the 4 suits. When you cancel down 4 over 52, that gives you 1 over 13. What is the chance of drawing an ace or a king? So the probability of drawing an ace or a king is 8 over 52, because there are 4 aces and 4 kings. That gives you 8 altogether out of a total of 52 cards. So the probability of drawing an ace or a king is 2 over 13. And what is the probability of drawing a card that is not red? Now, if the card is not red, so the probability that it is not red means the probability that it is black. Now, there are 26 black cards because there are 13 spades and 13 clubs out of a total of 52 cards. So the probability of drawing a card that is not red or black means 26 over 52 is a half, so it's 1 chance in 2. So this video has introduced us to the very popular item known as the deck of cards, and we've seen some examples of simple questions involving chance or probability using a deck of cards.